Do you know which country has this shape? It's Australia. Australia is a country where deserts, rainforests, and coral reefs exist side by side. It is home to some of the most unique wildlife on Earth and is the only country that also happens to be an entire continent. Australia is located in the southern hemisphere between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is both a country and a continent, making it geographically unique. Australia has no land borders and is surrounded by water, with its nearest neighbours being Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and New Zealand. The landscape of Australia is extremely diverse. Large parts of the interior are covered by arid deserts and semi-desert regions known as the outback. Along the eastern coast, mountain ranges such as the Great Dividing Range create a more temperate climate. In the northeast, Australia is home to tropical rainforests, while the famous Great Barrier Reef stretches along the Queensland coast. The climate varies greatly, from tropical in the north to temperate in the south and arid in the interior. Australia is also prone to natural extremes such as droughts, bushfires and floods. The capital city of Australia is Canberra, while the largest cities include Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and Perth. Australia covers an area of approximately 7.7 million square kilometres, making it the sixth largest country in the world by land area. The population is around 26 million people. The official language is English and the national currency is the Australian dollar. Australia was inhabited by Indigenous peoples for over 60,000 years before European arrival. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures are among the oldest continuous cultures on Earth. In 1770, British explorer James Cook claimed the eastern coast for Great Britain, and in 1788, the first British settlement was established in Sydney as a penal colony. Over time, Australia developed from a group of British colonies into a unified nation. In 1901, Australia officially became a federation, forming the Commonwealth of Australia. Although it gained full legislative independence over time, it remains a constitutional monarchy with the British monarch as head of state. Australia is one of the most multicultural countries in the world. Its population includes people with European, Asian, African and Middle Eastern backgrounds, alongside Indigenous Australians. Christianity is the most common religion, but Australia is largely secular, with growing religious diversity. Australian culture is strongly influenced by outdoor lifestyles, sports, and a relaxed social attitude. Popular sports include cricket, rugby, Australian rules football, and surfing. Indigenous culture, art, storytelling, and spiritual connection to the land play an important role in Australia's national identity. Australia has a highly developed and stable economy. It is rich in natural resources, including coal, iron ore, gold, and natural gas, which play a major role in exports. Agriculture is also important, with Australia being a major exporter of beef, wool, wheat, and wine. In recent decades, sectors such as education, tourism, technology, and services have become increasingly significant, making Australia one of the strongest economies in the Asia-Pacific region. 3 interesting facts. Australia is home to more than 80% of animal species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world, including kangaroos, koalas, and the platypus. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth and can even be seen from space. Australia has more sheep than people, and sheep farming has been a key part of the country's economy for generations. Today, Australia is a modern, democratic country with a high standard of living. It plays an important role in global trade, regional security, and environmental discussions, especially regarding climate change and ocean protection. Looking to the future, Australia faces challenges such as climate extremes, biodiversity loss, and balancing economic growth with sustainability. At the same time, its strong institutions, natural resources, and strategic location give it significant potential in the years ahead. This was Australia, a country of extremes, diversity, and unique natural beauty. Which country should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments and join us on this journey around the world.